Build a strong foundation and develop expertise to help protect organizations from cyber threats with the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. You'll explore network security essentials, including how to identify vulnerabilities, secure systems, and prevent unauthorized access across both cloud and on-premise networks. You can develop skills in Python programming for automation, enabling you to build scripts that streamline security processes and monitor threats efficiently. Plus, you can gain hands-on expertise in threat identification and risk management, analyzing systems for weaknesses, and implementing robust security protocols. In addition, you can learn to navigate security information and event management SIEM platforms, enabling you to monitor logs and respond effectively to incidents in real time. With these essential skills, you'll be prepared for roles like Security Analyst or SOC Analyst. Start building your future in cybersecurity with Google on Coursera today.